Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Video Tools 360. So this is the sales page of the product, and in this video I will show you about the product, I will tell you about the product, and also I will give you a detailed overview about the product. And also my second purpose is to show you my bonuses, kind of $6,397 bonuses will be given to you with the product from my side, totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, I will clear you the bonus part on the later part of the video, but now let me start with the product. So this is a brilliant product, and also let me clear you that I can't show you the product from inside, but I show you the way how you can go through the inside of this product. Okay, so this is the product sales page, and inside this product sales page there is in the very beginning there is a video given here, and this video is kind of a inside view or demo view about the product. Okay, you can see you can do live calls, and this is an all-in-one product. You can do checkout form, also direct checkout form, and also you can just put any checkout form with respective product, and also you can give the detail about the product. You can make the discount form also. You can just go through it. It also enables the AI facility, that means artificial intelligence facility, which can help you to be your once your customer will visit your product, will visit your video, and after their using style, and the data will be restored on your product, and on that basis your product will be upgraded. Okay, so that is AI facility. This kind of facilities are also inside this product, and you can see this product you can go through from one room to another place, okay, with the information button. Okay, so you can put so many kind of information buttons. This is a totally 360-degree video tool, and you can just give your business to next level with this product. Okay, so this product is pretty much cheap, and I will show you the price and the ratings of the product. I have given the ratings by seeing the video, the demo video. Okay, so this product has so many features and facilities you will not get any other products. Okay, so there are so many products outside in the market, but they are not giving this kind of facilities. As you can see, it is giving so many facilities. Share to unlock is not available to any other products outside market, and it is giving you that kind of facility. And the main reason to purchase it from my side is to my bonus. My bonus will be shown to you by myself on the later part of the video. Now let me show you the product. This product is pretty much, so many things are here to show you about the product. You can go through the sales page, okay, to know about the product. Now let me start with the product review. Okay, so let me just scroll a little bit more. Okay, inside this page there are so many stuffs. I can't help myself to leave this page. Okay, so there are so many things, I can't just explain you all of them. They are giving you also every kind of integrations facilities, kind of all autoresponder can be integrated within this product, and also you can just put any background music for ambience, okay, conversation boosters, and live calls. Okay, what else you need, I don't know. Any kind of possible options are already included here inside this tool. Okay, there are so many features, facilities. You can go through this page. Now let me start with the review. So this is a meme, this is created by me, and cause meme can tell more than 1,000 words, and also it can make you a smile on your face. Okay, that's why I always create meme, and it is also bit relaxing for me to create meme about any product. Okay, so I always try to create meme, and these are the ratings. Inside feature and facilities, it has got 100%. There is meaningless to tell about more to it. Feature and facilities, it has covered so many features and facilities, and in performance it has got 99%, which is awesome. Ease of use is 94%, brilliant, and also value for money 97%. Market hit, it has got 95%, which is an excellent. Okay, so overall it has got 9.8 out of 10, and I never consider market hits inside this overall section, and the ratings are awesome, brilliant, superb. I never have seen this kind of rating for any other product. So this is the pricing, this is the cost of this product, and the product cost will be risen up to $47 if you not purchase it within this launch period. Okay, so it will go by $47. Okay, so let me clear you that this product is very much deserving. more than deserving. Okay, so this kind of cost at one time offer, you are getting this offer. I don't know if it will be in future. Okay, so price will sure be rising up if you not get within this launch period. Okay, they are giving you also 30 days 100% money back guarantee, and they are very reputed company. You can just rely on them. Okay, so you can back the tool also, you can refund that, you will be refunded. Okay, so this is what is Video Tools 360, and I have explained here everything about the product. Samsung, Oreo, BMW, Expedia, Warner Bros, all of the big companies are using these to build their website, to make their website cool and cooler, and also to gather the customer and also the sales. Okay, so the sale is the main goal. So these are the key features about this product, and there are very few key features. I can't gather all of the key features inside it, so you can go through this video. This video will clear you all of the feature and facilities. This video is exactly the front video, the beginning video of the sales page. Okay, so this video is embedded here also. So this is the video, and you can see this is 360 video. This is already playing, and this kind of discount I have already showed to you. And this is the guy, and he has so many reputation inside this online marketing or online product selling. Okay, in my words, this is an excellent tool, and this can grow your business rapidly. You can pursue any 360-degree videos, okay, with this tool, and this should be your final and permanent tool for 360 videos for your business also. So also one-time offer makes it awesomely cheap. You can go through the tool. They are also giving you refund facility. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. Let me go through now the sales funnels. Okay, so I have cleared the front end product. The next one is Video Tools 360 Pro Unlimited, which has two categories, kind of $37 per month and also $197 yearly. So users get access to create unlimited tours with unlimited scenes, 2000 minutes video chats per month, unlimited e-com products. So maybe the front-end product will be lesser than 200 minutes video chats, and inside this Pro Unlimited you will get this kind of facility. So the next one is Video Tour Agency Toolkit, which costs $47, and you can earn six-figure virtual tour agency. You can run a six-figure virtual tour agency with this toolkit. And the next one is Virtual Tour 360-degree reseller, which has three categories, 197, 297, 497. Resell video tours, 360 app, keep 100% of the profit. You can make money, and this will be your right. So the license of the tool will be given to you inside this reseller pack. And the next one is, and also this is the last one, local agency app. So that means you can get this tool within the app, also with your license. Okay, you can sell the tool with your license, and this is a reseller pack, and you can make a good money by selling them also. So this is a very needy tool for upcoming generation also. Okay, so this is the bonuses, and now let me clear you my bonuses. I am very much eager from the beginning to show you my bonuses. So one of the main thing is to make this video is to show my bonuses. Basically I have so many things inside this video, but you can get all of the things inside this sales page. So my main purpose is to making this video is to show you my bonuses. So let me show you. Let me scroll down for all of the bonuses. So after 24 bonuses, I have from the 25 I have put a little description about each product, and also the image of the product. Okay, so cause same thing is boring, that's why I have chosen this strategy. And also let me clear you that after 50 bonuses I have put here a surprising thing here. Okay, so you are getting 300 plus bonuses, more bonuses within this price. Okay, so you are getting 50 plus 300, that means 350 plus bonuses within this price within just $37. Okay, so these kind of bonuses have been collecting from so many days by me, and it will be given to you totally free once you have brought the front end product, which costs only $37. Okay, so inside these 350 bonuses, as I have already showed up here, as an example, I have put here 50 bonuses, and also kind of these 300 bonuses are also kind of same kind of softwares, kind of plugins, kind of SEO stuffs, images, musics, and also video case studies. Okay, so those will be given to you totally free from my side. I have collected these kind of bonuses from so many days, and I have put here the best for you. I have left so many bonuses, and I have gathered the best for you. Okay, so this was the product overview, and what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history inside your account, and then you will get this sky blue button which will give you the access of my bonuses. Okay, so this will happen after purchasing the product, obviously. So this button can redirect you to the software and also the bonuses. So that was the product overview of Video Tools 360, and I am signing out for the day for the video. So I'm wrapping up. So bye bye.